Welcome to SmartWave YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to create um cover like book covers, maybe that you want to publish on Amazon KDP using Canva AI. Now, before we dive into it, I have done a video on how to get Canva Pro for free. If you have not watched it, watch it. I've also done a video on how to get Quibots, how to get Quibots Pro for free, how to get Canva Pro for free. Just, if you have not watched it, watch the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks to those that have subscribed. Like, I really appreciate those that really support us by subscribing. So many of you people who just watch the video have not subscribed, but like the YouTube is growing rapidly. Please, if you have not subscribed, try and subscribe. This is the only way you can support us. So today I'll be showing you how to create a book cover using Canva AI in particular. Now let's dive straight into it. First of all, you have Canva here. Let's log into our Canva, right? Let's log in. Now this is our Canva. Okay, let's do something here. Let's use ChatGPT to do something here. Let me just give me a random title. Give me a random title. Give me a random tech book title. I'll be making use. Now this is the title, right? Now if you have your title, see what you would do. You come to your chat GPT. This is our title, right? You say write a prompt for me telling AI to design a book cover these details using these details. Now this is the title, right? This is the subtitle. Then author, let me just say smartwave tech. So let's see what ChatGPT will give us. Now you can see ChatGPT is writing a prompt for us, right? This is a prompt that ChatGPT gave us. Now if this is the title of the book, and this is the subtitle of the book, and this is what the author, right? Now you will copy this. When you copy it, go to your Canva. When you open your Canva, now in your Canva you can see this is your design, right? This is your template, and this is Canva AI. Now you have to click on this Canva AI. Click on Canva AI, right? When you click on it, you will see describe your idea, and I will bring it to life. Now you see something like create images. Now these are so many images, that these are sample of images created by Canva, right? Sample of images is different from your own design. This is a template, right? Now, and this is the Canva AI. Now you must be on this Canva AI for it to work. Now what you have to do, you paste your prompt here. You paste your prompt. Now this is the prompt that ChatGPT wrote for us. Design a modern professional tech book cover for title code this, building this software in era by smartwave smartwave style and all this. So ChatGPT gave it a style. So what you need to do is just what, if you click on this create an image, you will see different what's it called, different sizes. Now since you know that Kindle version in Amazon KDP, the Kindle version size in each is 6 by 9, or it depends on the book that you want to publish, 6 by 9. But I would advise to use this or this, but I prefer using this particular 3 by 4. Then when I do that, you can choose. These are different styles that you can choose, but I would advise you just leave it for now. you know just leave it. Canva knows what to do. Then after choosing 3 by 4, you just what click on this, allow you to design. You can see it's designing the whole thing. Very good, very good. Now you can see a design that it gave to us. We have this one, smart wave tech on the, and you can see this write up is not needed, this particular one. So you just have to check it one after the other and know the particular one that is needed for you, that actually meets the need. Now smart wave, building smarter software in the AI era. Now you can see this, they have a write up that is just like a jargon. Code beyond limits, building smarter software in the AI era. Now this is good to go. Code beyond limits, building smarter software in AI era. This is also good to go. Code beyond limits. This is confusing. So you are going either with these two, right? With these two. Now let's download this, and we can download this. Now one thing is this, I will not advise you to click on edit. What do I mean here? When you click on edit here, because the size of the book, or the size of the book that you are writing is 6 by 9. So when you click on edit here, you can actually resize, but sometimes it doesn't work that way. Some of the write-ups will be covered if you resize. For example, let's try this and know if it will work for us. Okay, you can see resize here, right? What did I click? It's removing the background. I think I mistakenly click on BG remover. Don't worry, let's allow it to do its own thing. We'll just Control Z. Or let's just be you see, remove this. That's not what we want to do. So click on resize. Now you can click on custom resize. Here you change it to inches, 6 by 9. Then resize this particular design, not a copy. Resize this particular design. What happened? Control Z. Let's go back. Resize. I don't know what happened here. We are using inches, right? 9 and 6. 9 and 6. Resize this particular design. Very good. Now this is it. So we can click on it. It has finished resizing. We can click on this image, or we can just try to expand the position of what is happening here. I don't know, what is it locked? Okay, this is locked. You can unlock it. I don't know when I click on this. So when you unlock it, you can click on this image, set image to this. Now if you set this image like this, then you have smart wave. You see that smart wave is actually very down here, right? In some cases it may even enter the line, which may not be acceptable by Amazon. So I will easily advise you, after it has finished designing, check the one that you want to use. Then check the one you want to use. Then go to your Canva. Let's say new file, right? Create a new file here. Customize inch, then 6 by 9, depends on the size of the book cover. It can be 8 by 11 and all that. Create a new one. Then upload that particular design. Upload it here and make use of it. That's the only way to avoid problem with Amazon. Now when you click on this, you can see what you can upload this, download upload the design that you want to use, right? Upload them and click on this. Then you can see this. Then when you are dragging this, you can see a line, this line, this red line. Now don't allow it to pass this what? Red line. Now you can stretch this out beyond this red line. Then you can decide to change the color of this to whatever you want. Change the color. Now this can be used for your design, so you can decide to do a lot of things that you want here. You can actually also stretch this because the up has enough space. Stretch this way, then make sure that it's at the middle and center. Let's just say center for now, because middle will make it center for now, right? Now this is how you design with what? Canva AI. This is how you design with Canva AI, and instead of going so many places to do your design, so it's easier way for you to design and publish your book on Amazon and a lot of things. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, please subscribe, support us, and give it a thumbs up. Bye.